Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you stop what you're doing and you press that subscribe button. So we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into my show and tell wig, and this is by model or if it's model in the color 350, and this is in the style Posh Meadow. It does have ear to ear Swiss lace with a lace parting, and it has kind of like that stiff lace, not like hard lace, but it is stiff Swiss lace, which means that your wig is definitely going to be hold in place. I do have a wig grip on, but this wig is big head friendly. It does have 3 combs, one on the right, one on the left, one on the back with 2 adjustable straps. So it has a standard cap construction. So I just want to go ahead and show y'all this beautiful 350 burgundy maroon all around color. If you want to add roots, you definitely can. My hairline goes out, so sometimes I like to put like a burgundy pencil right here, but it like smeared off because, you know, I was playing with it, but y'all get the gist. So with this wig, it is very pretty. Now the curls look really different when you first get it. I did brush it out and it gave me this pretty barrel curl. Now the texture of his hair is like a yaki texture. It's not too coarse, but it gives you like that natural like blowout type of bouncy curl look, which is what I really love. Now I purchased this unit for $14.99, well, you know, $15 from samsbeauty.com. so if it is still available, I suggest you get it. It's a nice, quick, easy, cheap slay. You know, most of the wigs are like this style anyway, so if you don't want to spend a whole bunch and you just want the quick look, definitely go ahead and get this and save you some coins, sis. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick 360. So this is how it looks all in the front. This is how it looks on the left side. This is how it looks in the back. And this is how it looks on the right side. So as you can see here, it is voluminous when you do brush it out because the curls are kind of tight when you do get them. Now this hair has a nice parting, and all I did was just put some foundation, and that is it. So that's it for this unit. So make sure y'all check out Posh Meadow if it's still available for $14.99. Like I said, once again, go ahead and get you something, sis. Don't say I didn't tell you nothing. But make sure you also like and share and subscribe, and also make sure you stay positive and stay beautiful, and don't forget to check out my next slay. Ooh, y'all, I think I'm about to rock this. All right, bye.